We are always looking for new ways to make our world a better place. In a small laboratory in the Friulian countryside, two brothers have put their experience at the service of innovation and sustainability. With passion and determination, they managed to combine aerogel with lime putty, creating something extraordinary. A revolutionary material, 100% natural, completely organic and eco-sustainable. An incredibly thin insulator, capable of creating a barrier against fire. Thanks to their dedication, today Tilica is a leading product in the sector, and natural cork products are at the service of all homes, representing a winning choice for anyone who desires quality and sustainability. With small actions, we can build a better and greener future for generations to come. Because the Earth is our only home.